Mapping My Neighborhood. In this module, you will learn to map your neighborhood.
Mapping my neighborhood. Directions. Directions help us to locate a place. To reach a place we are not familiar with, we need to know directions. There are 4 main directions: north, south, west and east. When we stand facing the sun, we are looking towards the east. Behind us is the west, where the sun sets. On the left-hand side lies north, and to the right lies south. Map. A map is a graphical drawing of an area on paper which shows the location of different places. A collection of maps in a book is called an atlas. The map given below represents the central Delhi area. If you need to travel from India Gate to Jantar Mantar, you can take any of the 2 routes, A or B. Route A. Starting from India Gate, take Kasturba Gandhi Marg. When you reach Mercantile House, which is on the right-hand side of the road, take a left turn and go straight. This is Tolstoy Marg. You will find Jantar Mantar on your right. Route B. Starting from India Gate, take Ashoka Road. Go straight until you reach the metro station on the right-hand side of the road. Now, take a right turn. This is Sansad Marg. Go straight and you will find Jantar Mantar towards the right side of the road. Sketch. A sketch is a rough picture that is drawn to show the way one should follow to reach a certain place. A sketch is not made to exact measurement. Importance of maps. Maps are very useful to us in the following ways. They help us to locate a place easily. They save our time in locating a place. They make us familiar with buildings and important places of a particular area. Landmarks. Landmarks help us find our way to a destination easily. Tall buildings, parks, temples, churches, monuments, etc. are some common landmarks. A symbol is a sign, number, or a mark which has a fixed meaning. Symbols are used in maps to denote something without using too much space.
Let's recap. The 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. A sketch is a rough drawing which shows the way one should follow to reach a certain place. Symbols are the signs used on maps and sketches to denote landmarks without using much space on maps.